drowning in Basecamp data and ready for a new project management oasis. This guide will give you the tools to seamlessly migrate your Basecamp projects to a platform that better suits your needs. First, understand that Basecamp doesn't offer a direct, one-click export. You'll need to strategize based on the data you need. Start by identifying the specific projects you want to transfer. Next, let's grab those valuable messages. Navigate to the Messages section within your chosen project. Look for options to print or export individual message threads depending on your Basecamp plan. You might find options for PDF or text exports. Now, onto the to-dos. Unfortunately, direct export of to-dos isn't readily available. A common workaround involves manually copying and pasting them into a spreadsheet or a document. Structure your spreadsheet with columns like task, assignee, due date, and any other relevant details. This will make importing into your new platform much smoother. Don't forget your files. Head over to the Files section. You can typically download individual files or entire folders containing project-related documents. Finally, import your data into your new platform. Most platforms offer import features. Refer to your new platform's documentation for specific instructions on importing spreadsheets, documents, and files. Remember, the exact steps will vary depending on the platform you choose. Good luck with your migration.